Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to try and knock out a few videos today because obviously I've been sleeping a lot and I still need to do another pregnancy video for you guys because I'm like 33 weeks, but I've been starting to buy stuff and I want to show you guys what I'm getting. So first thing, we are talking about the NUNA CUDL baby carrier. I thought this would be good just because of the fact that when you go to Disney and you have to go into a restaurant, or if you're making a quick stop, you want to hold the baby in something possibly. And so that is why I decided to get this. We got it in the color Aspen. I really like caviar, but there's a white part at the front that I'm like, oh, that's just gonna get so dirty, but it looks so sleek. Yeah, it just looks so sleek. So yes, this retails for $169.95, and let's talk about it. This is obviously unboxing, a first impression, because I'm really excited, and so it's not that I want you guys to be excited with me. I'm just excited and I want to share. So yeah, it says this ergonomically designed carrier grows with baby to keep him close and secure. Whether carried in front, back, or set in the integrated booster as a newborn. It says why parents will love it. Adjustable padded shoulder straps and waist belt provide all over comfort while evenly distributing baby's weight. Why kids will love it. The mesh fabric allows a cooling air low while an attached hood shades baby from the sun. Wow, you can use this from birth to 35 pounds. That's crazy. Yeah, so it says newborn to 3 years old. 3 years old, man. The integrated booster is for use with infants 4 months and under. The weight of the carrier is 2.8 pounds, and it has magnetic buckles and covered lockable zippers keep baby securely in place. Huh. Okay, let's open it. Now, guys, all of my baby unboxings, in all honesty, oh. This is the manual. It's kind of thick. Honestly, I've never tried any of these things. Of course, I've never had a baby, so it comes in this nice carrying case. Oh, this is so exciting. Ooh. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Oh, this goes right here. Okay. Ooh. Manufacturer's contact information. Okay. Oh, this is so exciting. You know when you get something new, and it's with the baby stuff, so I've started buying baby clothes too. And they're so cute and small. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this is the magnetic closure, I'm assuming is, yeah, right there. Ah, that's nice. Oh, this is soft. Okay. Oh, well, let's see some of the different compartments. Oh, it has a zipper right underneath here. Oh, so you can put stuff. Oh, this is pretty deep. Oh, no. Where's the, oh no, okay, so that's not a, this just, oh, okay, this is if I wanted to take this off, this zipper right here, okay? And does it have anywhere to put stuff, like a phone or, oh, and this is Velcro, the thing that goes around your waist. Oh, and with it comes all these hazard, make sure you read the, warnings. Oh, okay, so, oh, here we go. Okay, this is where I guess you put a few things. It'll fit small things. Well, I don't know if it'll fit my phone, so I don't know if it'll fit my phone, so I can't say that. But this is a small compartment where you can put things in. And so yeah, there's one compartment. All right, guys, this is comfortable. I think with these magnetic things, like you press and then you push up. And so that's cool. And then it does have the infant booster right here. It's nice. It's soft. I'm not sure what I do with these yet. I'll have to read the manual. But they gave me 2 of them, and I'm sure there's a reason they gave me 2 of them. But this is nice. I like it. The Velcro is comfortable. Like, it's not, you would think it wouldn't be, but it is. All right, so I hope this helps you guys see if it's something you want to check out or not. And, oh, these come off too. Yeah, I gotta figure all this stuff out. As you can see, they twist and stuff. I gotta figure all this stuff out, but it's really neat, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. We got the car seat too, and I'll be doing an unboxing of that too because I'm really excited. So, yeah. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Yeah, this is nice. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I didn't think I would, but I do.